Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the F1TV error code ER9005. The error reads, "Oops, something went wrong, ER9005. As per our research, the error appears when users try to open or stream content on F1TV. According to our research, this is most likely a network or device-related issue, but sometimes it could also be from the F1TV system end. First, try restarting your device along with the router. Then check if you need to update the F1TV app. Once everything is updated, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot network. If the error doesn't come over the other network, then this means your current network or router might be the issue. So try troubleshooting your network and see if that helps. If the error still persists, then try deleting and reinstalling the F1TV app. After reinstalling, launch the app and check if the error is resolved. If you're using the F1TV website from your PC browser, try switching to a different browser and check if this helps with the error. If none of these steps work, then probably the error is coming from the F1TV system. In that case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. Meanwhile, you can also try using F1TV on any other device or reach out to F1TV support for help. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.